This episode of Let's Get Comfy was brought to you by Evolutionary Healthcare. Caring is what we do.
It's me again, your host, the CEO of Comfort Measures Consulting. Thank you for joining us here on the Let's Get Comfy podcast live in Orlando, Florida at the Hyatt Regency Hotel. We're here at the Florida Healthcare 2025 Annual Conference and Trade Show, and I have yet again another guest joining the platform. Introduce yourself, madam.
My name is Joi McMillon, and I am the CEO of JAD Infection Control Experts.
Yes, ma'am, you are. So I'm gonna start you off a little different today.
Okay.
Can you give us a 60-second pitch, right, of JAD Infection Control, what it is, and why to choose JAD Infection Control Experts?
Okay, 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
No pressure.
Yeah.
So JAD Infection Control Experts is really about being proactive, helping organizations proactively address all concerns and be regulatory compliant, improve patient safety quality. What sets us apart is the fact that we are not just there reactively, we're there partnering with you. We provide the just-in-time training, and we're there to make sure that you're compliant all the time. We don't just focus on infection control. My background is full regulatory compliance. So all of CMS and Joint Commission, DNV, everything.
That was good. I think that was 60 seconds. I was counting my head. I'm lying. But all right, so let's talk credentials, because if someone was to look you up, Miss Joy, now this is what it says behind your name, okay? BSN, MBA-HA hyphen CRRN hyphen WCC hyphen HACP hyphen CMS hyphen CIC hyphen AL hyphen CIP.
All right.
You want me, I don't know if you remember all what I just said, because that was a lot. Do you want me to we want to go roll by roll? You tell me.
Okay, let's see if I can run it down.
Run it down. Yes, ma'am.
BSN, of course.
Yes.
Of course, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. MBA, Healthcare Administration. CRRN, Certified Rehabilitation RN.
Okay.
WCC, Certified Wound Care Nurse. CJCP.
Yeah.
Certified Joint Commission Professional.
CMS CIC you have.
So you're missing some.
Okay, I'm missing good.
It's HACP -CMS. So it's Healthcare Accreditation Certified Professional for CMS.
Got it. Okay.
CIC is the Infection Control and Epidemiology Certification. And ALCIP is the Advanced Leadership in Infection Control and Prevention.
Wow. Wow. So you have to be a lifelong learner.
Oh, yes.
Right? You love learning. You love innovation as well, right?
Yes.
So just speaking of that, in regards to infection control, what are some innovative tactics or things that you've implemented with your organization?
So that's a great question. Innovation depends on the need of the organization. So sometimes there are a lot of facilities that are still using paper tools to gather data and this and that. So bringing them tools that are actually providing, as they're doing audits, as we're going through whatever we're seeing in the organization, putting that data into, let's just say, an iPad that has an overall, what you call, I'm missing the word, but dashboard. So at the end of the day, rather than sitting there and having to count up or do Excel or put something in a different thing, it provides a dashboard. It provides it for all of the healthcare leaders that need to have it. And it also can give them the opportunity to remind them, if it's time for you to do some rounding, let's get going because this is waiting on you. This is your task for the day.
Yeah.
And it helps the administration be involved, helps those nurse managers or whoever the leaders are be involved.
Yeah.
And it's a whole process.
Got it. So if you go back to inspiration and origins, right? And I will say, I see why you started your own healthcare consulting firm, but I want to hear your why.
My why was I it was funny. I hit a spot in my life where I said it to my husband, I'm doing all of this. It's a well-oiled machine. I want to do something for myself. And so we created JAD. JAD is Joy, Asia, and Daryl, which is my husband and my son.
Oh,
And
that's
so we
nice.
made it a family thing and he's been supportive. But my why is I really want to help organizations. I saw the struggle. I was in the struggle for many, many years, so over 24 years of understanding what it's like. And so my why is I want to be the person that's able to take the pressure off of you, but still make you look good.
Yeah.
So that at the end of the day, no one knows who my clients are, but at the end of the day, they're shining because of the work that's being done. And it's work off their shoulders. All they really have to do is continue and support it.
Right. And that shows to your origins and the impact of your family. I love the fact I never knew that. You just taught me something. Are your family members, are they also in healthcare as well?
None of them.
None of them. Okay, got it. But y'all part of the legacy though. So
Yes.
she added that. So I love that. That's actually really cool. So trends in compliance and infection control. What are you watching right now? What was something that you see going on in the industry that you've attended a recent seminar or conference about? You can share it with the audience.
Great question. We just got back from APIC 2025. That was it was it was amazing, but what it was eye-opening in a certain way. We're still doing the work. So though this administration has kind of pulled back on resources and all the things that people find important, and it doesn't matter which side of the aisle you on, everybody needs healthcare.
Yes.
And everybody deserves quality healthcare, quality outcomes. And so being on the forefront of that and being able to make sure that that work continues without having the resources, that's difficult.
Very difficult.
But we're still in the fight. We're not giving up on the health of our country and the nation.
Yeah.
Not here, but globally. Because think about it. Whatever happens out there comes here.
Yes.
So
So with that being stated, I want to ask you, you go into situations, if you have a client, I want to talk scenarios here.
okay.
Do you have a nightmare scenario that you could share with us here? Little drama here we adding.
A little drama.
Little drama here we add. You don't have to say any titles or
Oh, of course not.
Yeah. I won't
Yeah.
put you in trouble.
No. Nightmare scenario is you go in and you find rampant infections, which is why you were called in the first place.
Right.
You sit down, you see policies and procedures that are canned from whoever owned it before or canned from the organization, and they don't apply to any of the setting that they're currently in.
Got it.
And then worse is when you actually try to address those things and they tell you that they've got it.
They got it covered.
They got it covered.
Oh, man.
They got it covered. But I'm here to show you you don't have it covered. But hey, I'm here to please my clients. So I'm not going to call them out. I'm just going to put my report together and keep it pushing.
Got it. So that leads to my next question, actually. So what's your message to any SNF or post-acute leader who wants to get ahead, right? Who wants to not just get by?
So if you want to get ahead and not just get by, I recommend you check out JAD, Infection Control Experts, because what we're here to do is be proactive and help you not just meet the regulations, but exceed them.
Okay.
And so that your outcomes can be exactly what you want them to be.
Yeah.
And that you and your organization and your employees can be proud to work there.
I love that. That's a great answer. So, where can people find you? JAD, your social site, website. You share that with the audience.
So you can always find me at jadicc.com. I'm also on Facebook as Joi McMillon.
Yep.
You can also find me on Instagram, Joi
Great
McMillon.
content. Yes.
But really LinkedIn, Joi A. McMillon, you will find the best and the most of me.
Yes, yeah. Wonderful content, very insightful too. I follow you, and I thank you out there in the audience. If you want to be a forward thinker, you're innovative, definitely check out her page. Joy, you can check out her personal page, but you also have JAD
ICC.com.
also online. So thank you for joining the platform. And as we wrap up today, I have one final question.
Yes.
What do you want your legacy to be?
I want my legacy to be that I was able to make the change that I want to make in the world, and that I want my children to be able to look up to me and say, she was that girl.
She was that girl. All right. Big shout out to a family out there. You're definitely an inspiration. To individuals, leaders, skilled nursing leaders. Check out Miss Joy. Miss Joy won't lead you wrong.
No, I sure won't.
She won't lead you wrong. Thank you for joining the platform. Major shout out to our sponsors, Evolutionary Healthcare and Florida Healthcare, for allowing this platform for the Let's Get Comfy podcast. Please check us out on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel at Comfort Measures Media. Also, follow us on Instagram at CMC Media there. Website, comfortmeasuresconsulting.com. You can also find us at comfortmeasuresconsulting.com on Instagram and Facebook as well. Norman Harris on LinkedIn. Check us out. Tune into what you want to turn into. Be that healthcare advocate for your family so that you can educate them and be prepared for that next healthcare crisis. All right. At some point in time, we will all be caregivers. All right.
Amen.
Thank you so much. And thank you for joining me. Glad to have you.
Nice to be here.
All right. Good. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You did great. You really did. Let me stop.
This episode of Let's Get Comfy was brought to you by Evolutionary Healthcare. Caring is what we do.